Oh, you do?
Oh, it's streaming. Oh, shit.
You streaming?
Yay, welcome to Over the Counter Crypto. I am your host, Eric. Hey, where are y'all names at, though? Okay, there they are.
Uh,
I'm well, Lalo and Holy Strambole, like always.
so, so man,
Like
so
Ivan says, like an atomic clock. Always here, I think. Alright, I want to
can you
go
do
over
a
the Bitcoin halving clock. This is how much y'all have. Oh, my bad. I need to show you guys too. What I'm sharing. Hold on, you guys. Oh,
my bad? I was checking the.
I better check the stream. See if
Yeah, let me do a quick check
yeah,
real
do a
quick.
quick check.
I'm gonna mute this.
Oh, screens. There you go.
How can I go?
Screen three. There you go. Can y'all see it?
Yep,
402 days.
yeah, yeah. We're good. We're good.
All right. So I'm gonna close that out. Closing that out, and we got the fear and greed index. We're at 58. We're getting greedy. We're getting greedy again, you guys. Um. All right. So let me do a little bit of analysis. So first, I want to do before we get into the Bitcoin one, I want to show you guys the S&P 500, which is the top 500 companies in the US, right?
Yep.
So right now, so we went up, right? And then we went down, but we didn't go past this level. And we went up again. We went higher passing this one. So we got a high, this is what's called a higher low and a higher high. And we broke this trend. This one that was saying that it was going to keep going lower and lower. We broke that trend. So as of now, it's starting to look good. But when it comes to the macro and what the federal is doing, they're gonna keep doing those interest rates, and it's not gonna look good. They're saying there's gonna be more unemployment. So we
Why?
just
Because people aren't working, or there's just no like actual jobs
well, what they're trying to do is cause unemployment.
to cause it.
They're trying to cause unemployment. Like they don't say it that way, but
Right.
that's what they're trying to do to bring inflation down.
And
So pretty
how
much
how that?
they raise interest rates. Do you remember that cash flow game, right? How you
Yeah.
take out a loan, so you could buy
Mm,
real estate or you could buy businesses or you could start a business.
okay.
So if they raise those interest rates, getting a loan becomes more of a inconvenience, or it prevents people from getting loans. So if
Mm,
there's less businesses out there, there's gonna be more less jobs.
okay. So what? Like less money in circulation makes it more valuable.
So pretty much how money is made, how money is printed is when you take out loans. From what I've
Okay.
read, when you take out loans, that's when the money is printed. So
Yeah.
if we stop giving out loans to people and businesses, then money isn't printed. From what I understand, I'm not 100%. So if we do that, we bring inflate the percentage of inflation down. If it makes
Yeah, yeah,
if
but
it
would
makes
it even make a fucking difference?
a lot of people are saying that it's not gonna make a difference.
No, but do you think honestly it's gonna make a big difference?
Well,
Like that
when it
we're
co-
gonna see a
well, right now it's like I wanted to buy a laundromat, and I was looking like at the interest rates. I'm not. It's not worth getting a loan. It's like no, because I seen one on 71st Street for like
mm,
69K. I'm like, ooh,
we're
it's in the
over
hood
there
though.
in over there. Oh shit.
In the hood, 71st Street.
Miguel, you muted yourself.
Did you end up going doing laundry there just for for shits and giggles?
Nah, like I wanted to check it out, but like right now it's not really worth it. The interest rate's really high. It's like eh. I'm gonna wait. So that's pretty much what's going on right now with the whole interest rates, and they're just preventing people from taking out loans, and that's how money is printed, from what I understand. So right now, like the stock market seems to be doing good.
Yeah.
But we'll see. It needs to pass 4,300. So we'll
How
we'll
much?
see.
43,000.
No, 4,300. This is the stock market. This is like
Oh.
this is the top 500 companies in the
Mm.
U.S.
Oh, I thought it was Bitcoin. I'm like,
No, no,
oh shit, 43,000.
no. This is
Okay.
the stock
Okay.
market.
Okay. The
Yeah,
SP 500%.
yeah. The S&P 500.
The S&P 500.
Yeah. So it broke this this trend, this downtrend,
Mhm.
and I'm assuming it's gonna try to test this one, the one at 43. So that's what's going on with the S&P 500, and they're saying that the crypto market is heavily correlated to the stock market. So that's one thing to keep track of, and another one to keep track of is the U.S. dollar. If
How is that?
so,
Excuse me,
what's up?
but
So
just dollar.
yeah, so this is the U.S. dollar against the rest of the world's currency.
Which one is it? Green? The green?
So
No, which is the US currency?
the U.S. currency is
What?
when it's going higher, that means the dollar is doing good. When it's going
Okay.
down, that means that the dollar is doing bad.
Mm.
Yeah. So pretty much, if we compare this with the price of Bitcoin,
Mm.
and let me put Bitcoin.
Mm. And these are the same time frames.
Yeah. So yeah. So like right here, like if you see right here, it's the dollar was starting to go up, right?
Yeah.
And then if you look at the other screen, Bitcoin is going down. You see that? You see like when I'm scrolling up the other line on the right side, Bitcoin is going
Yeah,
down.
it's going down now.
See that?
Yeah.
So now that the dollar started going down, Bitcoin started going up. You see that?
That's a crazy comparison. Because like from just right there, it looks like one has to fail for the other one to succeed. To
Yeah,
succeed.
that's fucked.
So yeah, so now the dollar's starting to do better now. So we might see Bitcoin start to fall. But right now the dollar's gonna test which is 105. It's gonna try to test that one 105. So we'll see. So they're correlated with that. All right. So now let me go over what's going on with Bitcoin. Okay. Um. Come on. Come on. Come on. I need my little block things right here. They're not showing up. There. Okay. There it is. Okay. So you guys see these blocks over here, right? This blue,
Yeah.
blue and yellow blocks.
Mhm.
So let me get my paint. So usually right now we have no resistance until right here. So we could probably expect Bitcoin to go to 29,000. It's either that or we could drop down here to this line where we got this block right here, which is 22,000. So right now at the only thing that's holding us back is 25k, 25,000. So it depends if we go above that or below that. We could retest 22,000 or we could go up to 29,000.
So if it goes up, it's gonna go up. I mean, unbothered all the way up. But if it goes down, for sure, it's gonna hit meet resistance right away. You're saying?
Yeah. So we could probably see something like it'll struggle right here at this line at 25K, and then we might break it, and then it might shoot up like that, and then it might retest it, and then like go like that again. It might do that, or it might go up here or down here, I mean, and then do something like this. So right now we're pretty much in no man's land, but like judging by the fear and greed index, like we're a little bit greedy, so we might fail it or we might not. But if we beat 25,000, we could probably expect Bitcoin to go to 29,000 if we manage to beat 25,000, because it's struggling right now to beat it. So that's what I'm seeing. So now a lot of people are okay, let me check. A lot of people are saying that because of this whole regulation with the stable coins, you know what happened with Kraken, and they're trying to snake, I guess maybe Coinbase, that they're like the regulation isn't clear on the whole stable coin thing. A lot of crypto businesses are moving overseas, so they're predicting that Asia might cause the bull run, and if that happens, the correlation between the stock market and the Bitcoin market might, like one might go down and the other one might go up, kind of like how we were comparing it with the dollar. That might happen. So here's a little bit of Bitcoin news. Look, yeah, so the stable coins for Binance, like it has been removed. So like they're messing up the whole, like the whole community, the whole businesses, crypto businesses in the US. They're gonna leave. And here's this thing that I saw, like 80% increase in Bitcoin trading volume in Asia. Then there was something else. I guess Sony is gonna start doing NFTs and stuff like that. So yeah, this is the whole crashing the economy, because the Fed right now is trying to do the whole the interest rate thing, but they're saying that like in order to do the target that they want, they need to crash the economy. So there might be a lot of unemployment. We might go into like a depression and stuff like that. And then Robert Kiyosaki is saying that Bitcoin is like the best investment when there's unstable times. So that's kind of what gold did when there's like unstable times and there's the unemployment and difficulty and we don't know what the economy is gonna do. Gold tends to do that. It tends to be a savior. Like it helps your savings out if you have gold. And now he's saying that Bitcoin's gonna do the same thing. There was this guy, um the co-founder of the exchange Gemini. He's saying that the bull run's gonna start in Asia, because like it kind of correlates with the whole the crypto businesses leaving overseas. So they're saying that Asia might start the bull run. All right, let me go to Decrypt. I don't think there was anything interesting in Decrypt. I don't think there was anything interesting. Yeah, I don't see anything interesting on Decrypt. Besides YouTube, I guess YouTube is getting into the NFTs and metaverse.
Just like with
Huh?
Facebook.
Like no,
Like
no, it's just the Instagram, where you could use Instagram and Twitter.
Instagram and Facebook is the same thing though.
Yeah, but I don't think you could use NFTs on Facebook, but you could use it on Instagram, I believe. I'm not entirely sure.
I just seen they're gonna start charging for Facebook or something like that. Like you know how like they're doing it for Twitter. Like
The little blue
you can
check.
buy your little blue check on Facebook. I don't see why you would want to anyway. But
That's because there's a lot of scammers out there, and if you're a brand, if you're a business, you want people to follow the right account.
but yeah, I guess. But honestly, I don't see the reach in Facebook anymore as much as I see it on Twitter or on Instagram.
Yeah.
I think the reach is much easier on Twitter than it is, and on Instagram than it is on Facebook. Facebook is, I think, is not going to last long
Yeah, they're more instant rather than Facebook is like
unless
I'm
they bring MySpace back.
MySpace or tag.
Well, probably Facebook as a company will still exist, but Facebook, the social media platform, might go in a different direction because they own Instagram, and
That's true. I mean, and they have Instagram. They
and they
already have
own
one.
Messenger.
True, Messenger is successful. I'm pretty sure. I think that's the only thing I use it for too. Is like for Messenger, messaging family, from Mexico. And
Yeah. Saludos.
Here's
not,
another
not
one.
even not even for memes.
Here's another one.
Yeah.
First mover, Asia Bitcoin opens weekly. So there's like a lot of thing going on in Asia, dude.
That's so random.
Huh?
That is so random. They have like the title, and then they have a guy playing cricket.
Yeah. This is the thing I want to talk about, you guys. Book recommendations. Lalo, have you started reading this book?
Which one? Running. Oh, catching up to crypto? Nah. I mean, we could.
I'm like,
give it till next week and see.
I'm like 30 pages in.
Boy, that's not even a chapter.
It is.
That's the introduction.
I'm on chapter 5. What you talking about?
That's a special thanks page.
Did you good or what? I haven't read it. I still there. I tried opening it and that shit was like stiff as fuck. I'm like, man, I don't want to break this shit. Is it good or no?
It's all right. This is the book I read.
That's better.
Digital Gold. So pretty much all the information that's in here.
Yeah.
That I've read so far is like in here. So like Miguel, if you want to learn like the whole history on what Bitcoin went through, I would recommend Digital Gold. Like I would recommend like listening to it because it's probably kind of a bitch to read. So I would recommend like an Audible and listen to Digital Gold if you want to learn the history of Bitcoin. And
the book recommendations have to be crypto related?
Crypto or economic related.
Okay, never mind.
Are you gonna show the Kama Sutra?
A variation of it. Well, I thought it was just because I have my library right here.
What you got?
Book I just finished. It's called
Stray Dogs.
Stray Dogs.
Is that like a furry book?
I thought it was. So I got it, but it's actually Silence of the Lambs meets All Dogs Go to Heaven.
Oh, it's like a comedy.
Very good.
It's
very good.
I'm gonna have to check it out.
Definitely good. It's about a dog wakes up like in a house. Well, serial killer kills people and takes their dogs in. And it's the point of view of the dogs. Dogs don't have that long of a memory.
Damn.
It's good.
I have to check it out. I'm gonna have to check it out.
But I'm gonna check out the one you said.
Which one?
The Bitcoin Standard. I know it's backwards.
No, I can see it. It comes out fine.
Does it come out? It comes out backwards in mine.
Oh, on the stream it does come out.
It comes out good because it's mirrored to you. That's why it's backwards to you.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the Bitcoin Standard. That one's really heavy into economics, so it might be a bit of a hard and boring read. Unless you're into economics and the whole money system and all of that. If you're not into that, it's gonna be a hard read.
Come on. Nobody's interested in this shit. You do it because it makes you money, right? At some point, you have to be interested, or you make yourself be interested in this.
Yeah.
Because it's going to help you in the long run. No, it's not something. I mean, unless you like doing it, but it's hard.
Well, have you guys read my paper that I wrote? It was like Yeah, I wrote a paper.
And yeah,
like I said,
numbers aren't a lot of numbers make my pee soft. You know,
like I sent you guys like something that I wrote. It was I think it was like 9-10 pages.
It was very informative.
Huh?
Yeah, the email. You
On
remember?
the,
It was
on
like
the
a.
email.
You sent an email?
Yeah, it was a while ago. It was probably like last year.
Bruh.
Yeah. Yeah, I sent an email with like talking about the history of money and how I compare it. Like I was trying to make a case, like like let's say dirt, like if dirt was money, type
Yeah.
of deal. Like you wouldn't
Mm.
accept dirt as payment because you could get dirt anywhere, right? Like you
Yeah,
once,
man. I feel like you should make that a video.
yeah,
That whole paper, a nine-part series. It
yeah,
would be great. You just be talking about.
I was gonna say,
missing
well,
Bitcoins.
there is certain dirt that you can trade for money
mhm,
because it's so fertile, like what they did in the Amazon and stuff like that.
yeah.
They're saying that that should sell. I'm just saying.
But it's a
could
certain type. But
potentially.
that's a certain type of dirt.
That's
Like
true.
like
I guess it'd be the equivalent of like
You know, like
crypto
imagine I
or
just
like.
grab a shovel like out like
Mhm.
in front of your house, like here.
Yeah.
Let me buy this
Yeah.
cheeseburger with this shovel dirt from in front of your house. Like you
That's
wouldn't
true,
accept
yeah.
that as payment.
No, man. Some females were selling their farts. Remember?
Yeah, I mean, that's true.
So,
I mean, they
booty
sold that one
farts,
girl.
man.
That one girl sold her bath water.
Ridiculous. You know what? What it's worth is what it's worth to the people right now. You know what I'm saying? Beanie Babies.
True.
Yeah.
Now it's like the pops.
But what gives it, I guess, sort of the value is that it's rare. It's like it's either hard to get or there's not a lot in
Yeah.
existence. You don't
True.
want to use something that's everywhere, that's really easy to find. So that's what I talked about in the paper that I wrote about how the dollar loses its value because they keep printing it. So that means there's more in circulations out there. So it's like the equivalent in getting paid in dirt.
Or rock. Or like a random rock in the park. Just so many of them all over the place. It's like,
Yeah.
whatever.
So here's another book that I would heavily recommend. I don't have it on you. I think you have it, Lalo.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna Google it though. Here it is. Can you guys see it? It's called The Internet of Money.
I think Lalo has that. My cousin.
Yeah, I would recommend the orange one and the blue one. I recommend
There's
those two.
Fucking difference.
Yes.
That's the difference.
It's 3 volumes. Volume 1, 2, and 3.
Damn.
Ooh.
This is available on Audible as well.
Yeah.
Or on
It's,
audiobook.
it's
available?
a, yeah, it's like a 3-4 hour read. It's really short.
Oh. But it's available everywhere, like all the audiobook options, or just Audible.
As fun
Do you know,
as I listen to it on Audible, so I don't know if it's available in different ones. But that one talks about where, like, why it's important and where it's heading. This one talks about the history of Bitcoin, and this one talks about the economics. So I would recommend those 3. But this was hard to recommend. This was really hard to recommend because it's really heavy in economics and money, and it's a hard read. This one's a hard read, but it's really informative. But it's a hard read. But this one, if you're interested in history, I recommend this one. And this one also talks about like all the people involved in it. So like if you follow people on Twitter, like I would heavily recommend following the people mentioned in this book. Because they've been on the space for 10 years now.
the book.
Yeah. Either digital gold or the other one, Bitcoin Billionaires. That one has like three main characters in Bitcoin Billionaires. They have the twins that made Gemini and Charlie Shrimp. And this one talks about like all the cypherpunks and the cryptocurrencies that were invented before Bitcoin, like back in the 90s.
What?
Yeah, like Bitcoin's not the first one. Bitcoin's not the first one.
Well, Bitcoin's the first successful.
Yeah, the first successful one, yes.
Stable, successful.
The other ones, yeah.
Whoa, so that's just been going
That's
on
nuts.
since the 90s, dude? Holy shit.
Like they've actually been trying to do it since the 80s.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
That's wild.
So yeah, like if y'all want to learn about the whole history, I would recommend Digital Gold. I would recommend it if you want to learn the history of the whole space. It's really interesting. Like I said, if you're interested in history, they also talk about the whole the dark web and Silk Road and all of that shit. They talk about that too.
Oh
They
shit!
talk about that.
The dark web.
Yeah.
It's a
Straight.
shady spot down there, shady
Fuck
neighborhood.
that.
There's
The only
such
thing
thing called a Mariana web,
that what the fuck?
the deeper part. Mariana.
I ran away from that shit when they mentioned the red room. I'm like, yeah, I'm good.
Oh, there's different things. It's for like the instructions for the water engine. What is this? El güey que mató la carpa. You know what I'm talking about? Who it is? Who really did it? La Parca, my bad, wrong guy.
Oh, there it goes. God.
Like carpa like a fish. Are y'all ready for the profiles?
Yeah.
Unless y'all got any, like y'all got anything y'all you want me to look at, analyze a certain coin,
Not
or any
really.
questions?
I mean,
What about the Brave browser? You heard of the Brave browser?
Oh yeah, forgot about that, dude. I forgot all about the Brave browser, dude. Yeah,
y'all doing
dude.
a segment on y'all doing something for the Brave browser?
Yeah, for the Brave browser, dude. See if I can find it here. The Brave browser. Where's it at? What's the coin called?
Let's see.
Bat.
Oh, Bat. There you go. No wonder I couldn't find it. Here it is. So this is the creator of Mozilla Fox. He created this. And
What?
yeah. Hold on.
He created Brave?
Yeah.
Yo.
So pretty much was because I was listening to this one book called Life After Google, because Google is like everything that you look up on Google, you get heavily attacked with ads. So it's taking value away from people's lives. So with the Brave browser, what they have done is they incentivize people to watch ads, and they pay you for your time. So if you decide, oh, I want to see this ad, they'll pay for your time with crypto, and they pay you with what's called a BAT token. This basic attention token is what it is. Right now it's worth 31 cents. So like I don't recommend investing in the coin, but what I would recommend is using the Brave browser and getting paid in Batcoin.
So usually using it as your default browser on your computer or on your phone, and instead of like a Safari or a
yeah. So like you could like on your phone just download the Brave browser and use that instead of Google Chrome or Safari or whatever it is that your phone supplies or your computer supplies. Like get rid of Mozilla Fox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. Just get rid of all of that. And
they canceled the Internet Explorer. They killed it.
Oh, did it?
They killed it this week.
This week?
Nobody fucking use that shit anymore.
Yeah. So yeah, just use the Brave browser. And what's cool about it is like those ads that you get from on YouTube that you have to wait. Like either it's one or two ads that you have to see, and on YouTube you could get rid of that shit. No more ads on YouTube.
Or yeah, I've been using it a lot lately.
No more Raid Shadow Legends.
Right? It's good for so look, it's good for whatever websites you're on, right? If you're on your phone, right? Let's say you want to watch an episode of like the newest show, and it's only a sketchy site, right? I hate those sites because like you feel like you're using a bomb, press the wrong thing when you got a bunch of fucking ads, right? That's what I like about it. I can just watch that video or watch that sporting event
Mm,
Yeah, that
oh, blocks
adult
pop-ups as well?
entertainment
No.
without ads.
Wow.
Yeah, so
Wow.
yeah,
You smelling what I'm stepping in?
so yeah, they're saying that Brave
Very
is the
excited.
most used crypto project as of right now. It is the most used crypto project.
With the most users.
The most utility, yep.
Yeah.
So yeah,
It's
so
pretty cool.
for anybody that's interested, go to
It is
CoinGecko.
free.
It's free.
It is
If you're on
free.
a computer and you have like any questions on exchanges or like where to buy, you could always find this information on CoinGecko. Just go to CoinGecko, type in the crypto project that you're interested in. So for this one, it would be BAT. The coin is called BAT, right? And you could go to the website, and here you could download the Brave browser, and it also comes with a wallet, a crypto wallet, so you could store your crypto here on the browser, which I don't recommend unless you have a hardware wallet. You have to connect it with a hardware wallet so it could be secure. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Dude, I love it, dude. I've been using it for 2 years now.
I go read manga there.
You read manga there?
Oh yeah, good. I've been using it nonstop, daily,
That's why you swole.
and just in this arm,
Just that arm.
because I eat with this one.
I know. So let's do the portfolios. Let's see who's doing better. So this is Miguel. Miguel's at 584.
Let's go, come rocket.
Lalo is at 596. Lalo's winning right now. I'm getting my ass beat. I'm at 524. See what
Oof.
happens when you try to time the market? This is what happens.
Mm.
Alright, so I'm gonna write these down. Give me a sec. Alright, Lalo, what you want?
Shit, can you go to my profile?
Yeah.
Es que Lalo ya no te contestó.
I didn't even bother calling him. He already missed 2 days, and he didn't reply on the podcast one. So
Oh shit, I got in Cardano too.
yeah, so
Um,
you're up $1 on Cardano. You're up $34 in Polkadot, and you're up like $69 on Bitcoin.
Bitcoin always.
So you're at
always.
$100 profit. So what you want?
Go 30 Cardano.
Okay.
Let's do man, what does that leave me? 40, right?
Yeah.
20 Polkadot, 20 Bitcoin.
See. What about you, Miguel?
I'm half polka dot, half Bitcoin.
Half Polkadot, half Bitcoin.
Mhm.
So that'll be what, 35?
35.
Correct. 35, 35. Yeah, come rocket ain't looking too hot right now.
How much money have you? You've lost $9 on Cumrocket.
Man.
How much did he
That's your only loser right now is Cumrocket.
$50?
No, he lost $9 on Cumrocket.
No, but I was saying how much did he put?
I'm not sure. As of now, his Cumrocket is worth $51, I believe. Yeah, I think that's what it's worth right now. It's $5. No, $51. That's what his Cumrocket investment is worth right now. So yeah, so I'm gonna do the same old boring USDC. I'm gonna do all 70 on USDC. But that's all I got. Hey, have you looked into projects on the Cardano network? They're saying that Cardano's where it's gonna be at next bull run.
Cardano?
Cardano, yeah.
That's a topic for next week. See what projects they have on Cardano that we can look forward to them.
Yeah. See, where's yeah, we could find it on categories for anybody that's interested. Here we could find all the Ethereum projects,
Ooh.
all the Binance projects, Polygon, Avalanche, Moonriver. Like these are all the projects, and we could find the ecosystem. I don't know where Cardano's at though. Right here.
Hey, way down there.
Chainlink.
Chainlink is in Cardano. Chainlink is everywhere, dude. You really can't go wrong with Chainlink.
Okay.
And then everything after that is it looks kind of garbage.
Like steal my money.
I used to have Card Starter. I actually made a lot of money, and I lost it all.
Damn.
Yeah,
Fuck.
$80, $80, and now it's worth 24 cents.
What the fuck? That's some FTX.
I had a lot of money in Card Starter, dude, and I lost it all.
Slap
Like
somebody's nose.
I made a lot of money, and I lost it all. Went to zero.
Cash out before, or
I didn't cash out.
you
Like a
lost
dumbass.
the whole shit?
That's where I learned about the whole risk management and analysis and when is the best time to cash out, using either the fear and greed index or using those lines on the, like those blocks are a good one, or using the resistance and support lines to cash out. Like I've learned so much from this whole experience from the last bull run, because I lost it all, dude. I lost it all. I'm starting from scratch. You live and you learn, though.
Now you double it, give it to the next.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, you are doubling because look, not only are you gonna make back what you lost, but you're also doubling it by like spreading the word, and then you're giving it to the next, man.
Yeah.
True.
It's a good deed, man.
That's true.
You know what I was thinking? I was thinking of getting into this program where they give out they call it the hidden gems, which is like coins that are like very, very low, but they're like the team is good, the project is good, but like it's still a risk, right? And like we could talk about those projects here. I was thinking about that, but I don't know how much they charge. But maybe that's like when the Bitcoin time clock ends. I think that would be like the best time to talk about those projects.
Okay.
Feel that.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Because I think right now the best time is to accumulate like Bitcoin and like the most secure ones as of right now, I believe. So, all right, you guys, I'll let y'all go.
Go. Orale, man.
Damn, I wasn't
Good night,
streaming.
Nah. Yeah.
I was streaming. All right, y'all.
All right. Have a good night.